Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok audio delay problem. So firstly, what you have to do is go into your TikTok like profile right here as you can see, and what you need to do after that is to click on these three bars in the upper right corner, and in here I'm just going to click where it says settings and privacy, and then you should be taken here. I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm just going to click where it says report a problem, and as you can see right here we are now taken to this page. I'm just going to scroll down and click on submit a report here. Just going to load, so just a second. And as you can see, what you need to write to TikTok is like this: I am having issues with my TikTok audio being delayed. I need this to be fixed for my account. You can even specify it more if you want to. For example, is it that your TikTok audio is being delayed on other TikTok that you watch, or is it only the TikToks that you actually uploaded yourself? So you can also specify that if you want to, or if it both, like on the other TikToks and your TikTok as well, that the audio is being delayed as well, then you can like write exactly like this, that I did it right now, and then click on submit. So basically it took about like 2 business days for it to be fixed for me. So hopefully after like 1 or 3 business days this should be fixed for you as well. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.